Here we go, another analysis on crude oil, WTI, Brent oil and natural gas. For those of you who are new to my videos and new to my channel, I am doing technical analysis from time to time. Every day is another video, and every time I analyze, I try to leave the ideas and everything on the charts just to point out that where are we coming from. Yes, I did a video on riding this move to the upside and getting out on the break, of course. I don't know if we took this trade when it moved to the downside. I don't really remember, but check out the videos. At the moment we are in this level over here where price was moving into this area up here and then coming down to the previous support. So this could have been in a level to find an entry. If the level would break, then we would see more momentum to the downside, of course. So that all happened already, and eventually, yes, we had this support resistance kind of line where we had to break out and not fall back like we saw over here, but break out, retest, and then price would be ready to start running in a certain direction. Well, here we are. This was the line I am talking about on the daily. So let's pull that through. In the meantime, this line is not that clean anymore because this was resistance, previous support. Here it got broken, again it got broken but rejected, again it got broken and rejected, and now we finally had this push through. I think the trigger here was some fundamental news on inventories. But that doesn't matter because you know what they say about the fundamentals of oil. So what we do know is that we are currently in a situation where we came down, we had some consolidation, just clean market movement. You see this everywhere, and now finally it looks like we are picking up momentum to move to the upside because we broke out. We literally turned from down bearish consolidation sideways to up bullish, in my opinion. So this is the 4-hour chart. Let us add some information here for an entry on this move. Like I said, breakout momentum was strong, and now we're coming back for a pullback, and we are moving into the zone where price was struggling in the past, even though I am not really liking this here because it's pretty choppy. This reaction here could have triggered an entry because it's the top of the channel. The second time it came in, forming these pin bars, could have been a second time you maybe identified it as an entry, and now finally we make another low. So I am interested to see yes, what will happen from here on out. RSI is not really showing any divergence, so the momentum, the strength of this down move is still intact. So it looked like we had some divergence over here, but of course we have this low on the RSI, so divergence is not helping us in this case. So what am I looking for here? Yes, well, this situation here is not valid anymore, so I am looking for a break of this trend line. That's the first thing I need, and from there on out, of course, we will get a potential retest or something like that. I think yeah, something like this. Yeah, I think this is a good thing. So yeah, my entry, because of the choppiness down here, the entry level for me would be if we break the trend line, and to be honest, we have this support here over here, so preferably a break of this, I mean resistance, preferably a break of this support, but we need more price action to see where the actual resistance is at and how this will evolve. Don't forget, we have a very weak dollar at the moment. It's coming down pretty fast. It came down already within the channel. So let's see if we get a reversal within the channel with some dollar strength, or if we finally break out of the channel to the downside. We don't know yet. Again, it's trading. We trade what we see, not what we think. We do not actually forecast, but we make an analysis and we make possible scenarios where we can manage our risk. So this initial idea of getting into this trade with some risk reward and of course a stop somewhere in this area here is actually still on. So yeah, of course, manage your own trades, look at your own rules, everything for finding an entry. But for me, finding an entry is first I need to see an end of this this bearish correction over here to really push through. I think momentum can be pretty strong once we break out of this and start moving, because everybody is looking at this choppy consolidation. Everybody who understands trading knows that this is a official breakout with some correction in it right now. So if this finally breaks out, then we are really leaving the consolidation behind and continuing within the bullish pattern. And if you know anything about waves, the wave that is coming next is most of the time a pretty strong wave. Okay, well, let's go to Brent oil. Yeah, that's this one. Kind of the same thing. A bit choppy, so let's see if we can clear the line a little bit. Sometimes it helps to do that. What are we connecting to? Okay, well, yeah, I think this would still be a clean line. Yeah, well, we had this bounce, pullback, and then finally we were looking for a breakout, but that did not happen in this situation. Even though we did move in to this level, we did pull back, and then we did another attempt to break through. But for now, we are still into this move. Price is officially moving to the upside, and it's often related to the WTI crude oil chart, and where momentum is picking up to the upside as well. So we had some waves, some moves, and we expected price to struggle within this area. So that all played out just fine. Some people like to trade these areas as well, because we know that some reaction will occur. And of course, if you are comfortable trading against the trend and going to the short side on charts like these, this could have been a perfect trade. So let's adjust this a little bit. We are at the moment this this trend line over here, which is what we are looking at. Wait a minute, this one is what I need. Yeah, so I think this can be adjusted a little bit, because if this does break out, or does break this trend line, I would not be really into this anymore. So we're really looking for what's happening down here at the trend line. This is actually, even though it looks like it's very bearish at the moment, which it is, this is actually the right moment to be pointing out what we can see over here. We have this low. This could be a higher low, but we need some more information. We also have this support that could turn into resistance over here, so some more consolidation could happen here. So as soon as I can draw a box or something where prices seems to be stuck in, I'm able to pinpoint a breakout, and then from there on out I would consider entering this this move. So same thing. To the upside is my bias now. This is way too low for me and way too near this trend line, of course, to be taking any shorts. So bullish on crude and bullish on Brent for now. Don't know yet how long the move will sustain to the upside, but we have to see. This price action is not really giving us an entry at the moment, but we are at a level. So let's zoom out a little bit. We are, of course, at a level near a trend line, back into previous support area here. Look at all those pin bars over here. So something was happening. Here's a pin bar at this level as well. So there is some information that price could bounce off of this trend line, bounce off of this support area, and start moving to the upside. So let's see if that happens. It does communicate. It does fit the idea we had previously on crude. And then another energy. Yes, this is a beautiful one. Natural gas. We pointed this out, that within this channel we were likely to see a move. Price is forming this great head shoulder shoulder inverse head shoulder shoulder pattern. I pointed out in previous video, and we are now actually the first move has already happened. So if you are looking to trade this and you missed it, then probably price will move into this this area over here to look for a retest. That's what I think we will see first. Or if it doesn't happen, I'm not really comfortable taking this trade, because we are in the middle of this whole range where price seems to be moving in, and you know, the real momentum, the real move already happened. So yeah, I would like to see a pullback first before going to the upside, another run, and then still I would be on the safe side to take my profits within this channel still. Let's point out on weekly what we're looking at. Yes, because we are at this level at the moment. So let's play it safe. We know that this is a huge reaction zone. So yeah, I would still take my profits from here on out. If I am willing to hold on any longer, I would take off most of my position, let a little bit go, but because if this move really does occur, it's always good to have something on, but there is a lot that needs to happen for price to break through this level and start moving in this area again. So that's it for now. Quite some opportunity, interesting pullbacks from time to time. I do these videos and I don't always you know, it's not up to me where price is at the moment. So at the moment, I know one thing for sure, that if you look at these markets, yeah, we had the reversal over here kind of happened. So let's wait patiently for this breakout. This is to me a corrective structure back into a very obvious level. Let's wait and see if the break gives us an entry, preferably pullback retest, and then let's run. And we get the same thing we just seen we had last week. So no thanks for that in natural gas. That's it for now. That's for this video. Make sure you check out my video tomorrow, Saturday. It's the weekly analysis on the major forex pairs. I'm gonna do it a little bit different this week. And on Sunday I'm gonna go into forex as well, but then I will go into the minor forex pairs, because there is so much moving in the forex market at the moment. So I want to cover it. I want to, you know, provide ideas, and especially I want to provide information and education within my thinking process of my own analysis. Okay, that's it. See you later.